Hey, what's up? It's Sean. As you know, this channel is all about that social media hustle, content creation, business and wealth building. And today we're diving deep into something real. So check this out. You've got to figure out a skill that will have you raking in at least $250,000 a year. That's right. $250,000 needs to be your target because anything less just isn't cutting it anymore. You may be thinking like, man, that's a lot of money. But in the grand scheme of things, 250,000 should be your minimal target to really make it in life. It doesn't matter if that skill is content creation, house flipping, mastering AI and coding, or being an ace salesperson. The point is, that's where the bar is set. You see, if you're not hitting that mark, you're missing out on some key aspects of life, like living life to the fullest. No big vacations, no car that turns head, no ability to give your kids the best things in life, especially if you have a family. Living on, say, 100,000 in some places like California just isn't going to cut it. When I was broke, the thought of making six figures was mind blowing. But you've got to look at the state of the world. Inflation, cost of living, six figures isn't much anymore, man. So now let's talk about social media and how it can help you get there. This powerhouse tool can bring so many opportunities to the table. It can help you build your brand, both personal and business. But are some of us wasting time on it? Absolutely. See, I tell my people all the time, social media is fantastic and coaching can be a game changer, but only if it's used properly. Ask yourself this: how many offers have I made in the last 7 days? How many videos have I made? Fully edited and published, not just sitting in a folder on my computer, especially if you have a business. This is what I want for you to take away from this video today. It's this simple. Create more than you consume. Now, don't get me wrong. Consuming is important too because we're all about lifelong learning, but the balance has to be right. Don't let the consumption take over the creation because at the end of the day, the way for earning money and building your business online is actually in the publishing and the posting. So remember to balance that learning with creation. Keep hustling, keep building, and remember, it's all about that 250,000 a year. Until the next time, have a great day. But hold on, also, for more ideas about creating a better online presence for your business, or even if you are just getting started and you're trying to build your online presence, subscribe to my channel. Now you can have a great day.